This video is to serve as a reminder that all rules of the road still apply, even in parking lots. In fact, I would say there's a bigger emphasis to follow the rules in the parking lots because nobody else is doing that, unfortunately, and that creates a lot of confusion, and the risk of collisions is pretty high in parking lots. Everyone assumes, well, the speed limit is low, or everyone's moving slow, so it should be safer, but it's not, because people just go into this mindset that I just need to park, or I just need to leave the parking lot. But parking lots are a place where a lot of people are distracted, they're not paying attention, so you need to spend more care, if you will, on your drive. And so we can see this person is leaving their stall, not signaling. They're going to come up to the stop sign on the ground and not stop. They're not signaling to make this turn here, and I'm pretty sure they didn't shoulder check either. And again, they're going to be going into another lane here without signaling, and so they're just kind of moving their car around. And imagine if everyone's doing the same thing on the road, especially in a parking lot, when two people get there at the exact same time doing the exact type of driving that this person is doing, that's what causes a collision. So be on the lookout in parking lots. Scan for other people that are not paying attention. A lot of people are not focused on their drive in parking lots, unfortunately.